Hello everyone, it's Shubham Sonmatkar from Department of Electrical and Electronics, Jain Polytechnic, Belgavi. Today we are going to study the lecture 18 on nuclear, diesel and gas turbine plant. In this lecture we are going to study the various disadvantages of gas turbine power plant. These are the disadvantages of gas turbine plant. Number one, low output. Okay. You have studied the hydropower plant and thermal power plant already, in which you can get a high output like 11 kilovolt, 6.6 kilovolt. In terms of kilovolt, it will generate the voltage, okay, and the power it is generated, that output power in terms of megawatts in thermal and hydropower plant. But that is not possible in case of gas turbine plant. Its output capacity is low. The next point is overall efficiency is low. So the efficiency is the ratio of output to the input. So as the output you will get that is low, so the efficiency of the power plant of the gas turbine power plant is also, it is not much, it is low, less compared to the other plants. Next, the temperature combustion chamber is quite high. So we are using a superheater or the other sources to heat the compressed air in gas turbine plant in gas chamber, as you have seen in lecture number 17. Lecture number 16 you have studied that the temperature of gas chamber. Okay, so it is very high, quite high in the gas turbine plant. Okay, so because of these factors, the efficiency of the gas turbine power plant is also less. Okay, so these are these three main disadvantages of gas turbine power plant. So it is the last lecture of unit 2. Okay, so I will conclude the unit 2 in this lecture. Okay, in this unit number 2 you have studied the 3 power plants, that is nuclear, diesel as well as the gas turbine power plant. Okay, so all these power plants is having its own advantages as well as some disadvantages. Okay, some power plants like nuclear, we can generate a high amount of electricity, you will get more output power, but the initial cost and the operating cost is more. Whereas in diesel power plant the output is low but the initial cost is less. Whereas in gas turbine power plant also the output is low, but here the initial and running cost, operating cost is less. So like that in various gas turbine plants, we have studied here various plants. Okay, the schematic diagram of various power plants, that is schematic diagram of schematic diagram of diesel, nuclear and gas turbine plant we have studied in detail, as well as we have studied some advantages, disadvantages, factors for the site selection, okay, and the applications of such plants. Okay, so I will stop here. I will conclude that the lecture number 18 is over, as well as the unit 2 is over. Okay, next time onwards we will start with the unit number 3. Okay, I will stop here. Thank you for watching my video.